close cousin to the Invader jacket. The Rampage vest features 14 pockets and our 1.4mm platinum cowhide. Behind the single zipper closure, the Rampage features 2 concealed carry and 2 interior cell phone pockets. The vest also features the crop center zipper, 2 zippered slash pockets, and side relief zippers. 2 Cordura lined chest panels featuring 4 pockets on either side. A single panel back for a clean look. With 14 pockets, the Rampage is one of our most versatile vests.